Hello, I'm Andre from Schaknat Electronic GmbH, and today I'm going to show you tips and tricks with our new Schaknat. For that, we need to use the OBD2 adapter. Here's our new OBD adapter. Now we'll simply plug it into the OBD socket. Done. In the Artego, it's located next to the steering column. The adapter is plugged in. Now we'll turn on the ignition and open our Schaknat app. If you don't have the app, you can download it from your app store. Just click on the Schaknat app here, and we're already in. Now the Schaknat app wants you to log in with a TAN. Tip 1. If you don't have a TAN, you can request one yourself at any time. To do that, we click on Request TAN. And there you enter the email address you have registered with us. Sometimes it's the fleet managers, the bosses, or the owners themselves. Or some drivers who have registered and ordered with us. And you need to enter this email address right here. Then, within about 3 seconds, you'll automatically receive a brand new TAN sent directly to you. I've already sent one to myself. I've copied it, and now I'll just paste it in. When logging in with TAN, there, open it, and done. Now I'm logged into my account. I can already see my vehicles down here, and there I have the beautiful little Artego. That's our Artego, and it's now basically assigned to the app here, just as we intended. So in order for us to actually do what I want to do now, even though we only have 10% battery left, we need to go to the settings and select the option called Ignore iOS Battery Status. So, you just heard it, and now comes the second tip, the OBD adapter. We have the old, longer OBD adapter or the new, much smaller and more compact one. So that the app knows exactly which one to connect to, we have to manually select it in the app. Satz and so. There it says OBD Link MX, that's the old adapter. The new adapter is ECU Connect, and you can already see the little check mark there. Tip 3, how do we update our adapter? For that, we go to Settings. At the top right corner, and then right here. This is the Vanilla Media ECU Connect, and we are updating it to a new version. We simply tap on it, update it once, and you can already hear the adapter beeping. Now, at this point, we're updating our new Schaknat device to the new adapter software. Within a minute, firmware update complete. For that, we click OK. And now you can also see here that the adapter is on the latest version. Perfect. Now we just swipe this down and go to Mercedes-Benz trucks. The adapter automatically connects to our new Schaknat adapter. It just logs everything and quickly scans everything around it. Fourth tip, if we haven't set up the vehicle correctly, or if it's not displayed correctly at the top of the app, you can click on this little car icon up here. You can see the license plate or the vehicle. If something is entered incorrectly here or nothing is entered, then later in your topology, especially if you manage over 30 vehicles, you'll want to see everything clearly under My Vehicles and know which is which. Then you can enter it here under license plate. We can also enter the driver's name there. So let's do that now. Peter is here. That's Saddle Peter. So we'll just enter Peter here now, just to pretend for now that Peter is the one who is currently driving this Artego truck. Then it's saved here, and it will also say Peter as the driver. Perfect. That was point 4.5. Always make sure to properly update the Schaknat app so that all the necessary conditions for further functions are met. Perfect. That's it already. Now we simply swipe the Schaknat app upwards. We've deleted everything once. The adapter, you can hear it briefly, has also disconnected, so to speak. Now we can turn off the ignition, pull out the adapter, and we're done. If you have any questions about this, about the app, if it's too complicated for you, or even if you've watched the video and still don't feel confident, just send us an email to Peter with your phone number and your request. We will get back to you right away, and together we'll find a solution. We can also come to you and show you in a relaxed way how it all works. But the adapter, for example, we ship it worldwide. I always like to mention this because it really makes me happy that we got an order from there, specifically Martinique in the Caribbean Sea. The man didn't speak any English and he didn't speak German either. We sent him the adapter and we still managed to make it work with him. Now he has the only Scania with 1,000 horsepower on Martinique. I'm signing off for the weekend, wishing you all a wonderful time. If needed, reach out. See you.